Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to dry lion's mane mushroom using an easy method. First, ensure your mushrooms are fresh and firm, selecting only high-quality specimens for the best results. This simple preparation step is crucial for successful preservation, ensuring your dried mushrooms will be delicious and ready for future recipes. It's a straightforward process. Now let's get your mushrooms ready. Gently clean them with a soft brush or a slightly damp cloth to remove any debris, avoiding water saturation. Then, slice the lion's mane into uniform pieces, aiming for about 1/4 to 1/2 inch thick. This consistent sizing is key for even drying, ensuring every piece dries thoroughly and efficiently. For the drying process, arrange your mushroom slices on a clean drying rack, ensuring good air circulation around each piece. Place the rack in a warm, dry area of your home, ideally away from direct sunlight. The drying time usually takes 2 to 3 days, but this can vary based on the humidity levels in your environment. Check them regularly. Once your lion's mane mushrooms are completely dry and brittle, it's time for storage. Transfer them into an airtight container to protect them from moisture and air. Store this container in a cool, dark place like a pantry to maintain their optimal quality and flavor for many months. And hey, for easy meal prep, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.